Good morning. I am getting ready to head out here and go do a couple of horses. I don't know if I really need the trailer today because they have just been trims, but it is springtime. I need to at least make sure if he wants shoes on the horses that I at least have the trailer to do it. So I'm gonna get hooked up here and then we'll head to the job. Man, I was too focused on the freaking camera to pay attention to the truck. Truck needs a cleaning too. All right. I almost forgot I had to do chores for a friend of mine. Gonna head over there and feed his horses and cows real quick, and then we'll head to the first job, or the only job for today. Uh-oh. I forgot I didn't have any fuel. The gate was supposed to be left open for the trash man today. I guess we'll have to check the dumpster. I didn't see any tracks for a trash truck. I don't see tracks from a trash truck either. Over here. Pretty sure Bill said trash was on Wednesday. Oh no. Yep, it was early Wednesday morning. I guess we'll see what happens. Turn this off, I don't have fuel to spare. Alright, come on. Good morning, Georgie. You got water? Yeah. Good morning, Angel. There we go. Tilly. Tilly doesn't like me very much. She's not a fan of getting her shoes done. I hear you, Thunder. That's it. Chores are done. Let's see if we have enough fuel to make it to the gas station. I'm gonna have to pump some out of the machine. Oh man. "29 miles. All right, we'll make it. Sweet. Three gallons. A couple intake. Well, I'm gonna turn the camera off for a little bit because I gotta drive that way for about 15 miles, and I don't think there's a point in recording that. So I will turn it back on when I get there. This should be nice and easy. I think we'll bring them over here once we find some halters. There's one. There's another. You guys are filthy. You're usually the good one. What's the deal today? Is it because you're not done with breakfast? Oh, don't give me those ears. Come on. Get over here. What are you doing over there? Okay. Man, their feet look pretty good. that foot back. There you go. Okay, all done with that one. Uno más. All right, 4 feet per customer. Hey, be here. I wonder if he left a check with Pat, because I don't see one anywhere obvious. Well, I messed up. I just got the check and he wrote the check out for shoes, not trims. So I'm gonna back all the way over there and get some shoes on them. Whoops. Good thing I brought the trailer then. Does it feel like deja vu? Sorry, I'm interrupting your breakfast twice. This trailer is a disaster. Like that should not be there. Neither of those things. And since we're doing shoes, I can actually trim a little bit shorter. Just not gonna go much shorter, but just a little bit. That'll do. Hello? Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. They, Pat's supposed to leave the gate open for you. They weren't waiting for you there.
Oh, no worries. I'm already here. Yeah, I trimmed them and then I started heading out and I asked for Pat if you left a check and he said you left it in the halter and I didn't see it. Well, I just wasn't paying attention. Yeah, I dropped it in the pen and, but yeah, I spaced it. I don't remember when you told me, but looks, you wrote me a check for shoes today. Okay. Yeah, so I pulled back in. I'm putting shoes on now. Right. Well, I got one on now, so I'm gonna finish the rest of them. No problem. You take care. Bye. Hey, behave. Okay. One shoe down, 7 to go. That's so close. Adiós. Love you. All right. Well, it looks like we're going welding. I forgot what that shoe needed. That foot needed. Let's guesstimate a little bit.
All right, that's good.
All right, now we're actually done. I promise I won't interrupt your breakfast anymore today. Time to go do some welding. We are gonna head to Loveland now. I want to try and show you this gate that my dad built for Pat here. If anybody in northern Colorado is interested in custom gate entrances, let me know. Love the look of a rectangular tubing for fence, and then once that gets fully rusted, that's gonna look slick. All right, I'm gonna drive to Loveland now and gonna help my dad with some welding. I am pulling into the job site. So that's the fence. It starts right here. It goes about 3,000 feet that way. The last thing that there is to do is on each rail there's a clip, and then on the top of each post there's a little cap that goes on. So that's what we're gonna do, and then he's got to modify a gate over here because there's a concrete like ditch thing over there that it doesn't clear when it opens that way. This will be cool. This will be the last day of this project. Come on. Oh, I think he's on the phone. Gonna see if my cables reach. Nah, ya we'll leave it open.
¿Estaba la plama?
En la puerta de acá, de la troca. Oh yeah, I probably should have pulled up further. Drop that. I'm gonna put the GoPro on a tripod and then start welding. Alright, I ended up having to switch that with the trucks because the plasma cutter plug only worked on the machine that's on my truck. So I ended up using the Miller Trailblazer from his truck to do the welding that I did. You probably saw that in the time lapse already. And then that's it. We just finished with all the clips, but it started drizzling, so I'm not gonna get any drone footage or anything today. I have to get some another day. But I'm gonna do a quick little glance to the west and the east, and then the gate that's right here, and then that's gonna be a wrap. Alright, so right now we are looking west. The mountains are barely visible because the rain's coming in. So here's the gate in the middle, and now we look east. Alright, well, I just left the job site. That's the end of that job. That was about 3,000 feet of fence. 4 rails on the side, the inside of the property, and then clips on each rail on each post, and a cap on top, and then that gate in the middle. So thanks for following me along today. I don't know what's gonna become of this, but I'll give it a shot. Gonna head home now, and I'll see you on the next one. I think I'm gonna try and make a video of the Hobart welder, which is new, and I don't see very many videos of it on the internet yet, so I'll see if I can be one of the first to put a video about it. But thanks for watching.